Can Picafort is known for sunshine, beaches and summer crowds. But beneath the surface lies a story thousands of years older. A coastline shaped by ancient rituals, wartime watchpoints, and the people who called this place home. This is the hidden history of Can Picafort, told through the stones, the sea, and the silence they've left behind. Along this quiet stretch of coast, time gathers like the tide here at Sunreal. The stones rise from the earth in patterns shaped by hands long gone, circles, chambers and weathered walls that have watched the sea for more than 2,000 years. This was a resting place for the Talayotic people, a sanctuary where the living carried their dead to the edge of the island. More than 400 souls were laid to rest here, curled into the fatal embrace of the earth, surrounded by pottery, metal, and the small treasures that marked a life. As the drone glides above, the necropolis unfolds like a map of memory, 1,000 years of stories held in silence, 1,000 years of wind and salt shaping every stone. And even now, with the waves whispering below, the burial grounds keep their vigil, a quiet city of the dead, watching the coastline as they always have. Leaving the necropolis behind, the landscape softens into the Sunreal Nature Reserve, a stretch of untouched coastline where history gives way to silence. The dunes, the pines, and the winding paths all lead toward the lake, a calm mirror that has drawn wildlife and people here for centuries. From above, the reserve feels timeless, a place where the sea, the wind, and the land move at their own pace. Here, the story of Can Picafort becomes quieter, held in the still water, the shifting sand, and the long breath of the Mediterranean. At the edge of the beach, the Lake of Sunreal begins as a quiet pool, gathering in the sand before stretching inland. From here on the ground, the water feels close, a calm surface broken only by the gentle movement of birds drifting across it. Step a little further, and the reeds rise around you, their soft rustle carrying across the lake like a whisper. Through the gaps, the water glows in the sunlight, a still moment held between the dunes and the sea. This is Sunreal at its quietest, a place where the landscape slows, and the simplest details tell the story. Along this stretch of coastline, the past takes on a harder edge. These bunkers were built during the Spanish Civil War, concrete watchpoints facing the open sea, waiting for threats that never came. Weathered by salt and wind, they still stand guard over the shore, silent reminders of a tense and uncertain time. Just beyond them, the modern statues rise from the sand, figures shaped by today's artists, looking out across the same water. Old defences and new expressions sharing the coastline, each telling a different part of Can Picafort's story. Along the shoreline, the modern statues rise quietly from the sand, figures shaped by local artists standing watch over the sea. Their forms catch the light as the waves roll in, turning simple silhouettes into shifting pieces of art. Walk a little closer, and each sculpture feels different. Some weathered by salt and wind, others smooth against the sky. Together they create an open-air gallery along the coast, a place where art, landscape, and the rhythm of the Mediterranean meet. Along this path, the coast stand the alignment towers, sturdy stone markers once used by the Spanish military. Submarines and naval crews line them up from the water, using their perfect alignment to set bearings and calibrate their exercises. Today they seem simple, almost sculptural, but they once played a precise role in coastal defense and training. A quiet reminder of the years when this shoreline served not just as a beach, but as part of a military range stretching out to sea. From ancient tombs to wartime towers, from quiet lakes to modern art, this coastline holds more stories than first meets the eye. If you found this journey interesting, feel free to share it with friends who love history, nature, or Mallorca. And if you'd like to follow more stories like this, a like or a subscribe really helps the channel grow.